Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kisi-kisi materi kuliah umum Sabtu sore sepanjang masa. Elektronik Teleconference bulan Januari tahun 2123 Masehi. 2 Januari tahun 2123 Masehi. Materi kuliah umum Eksistensi Politbiro Pembinaan Komisi Pengkaderan, Biro Pembinaan Anggota Pengurus, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota, Majelis Pimpinan Kabupaten, Kota, Yayasan, Mandailing, Raya di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasitaktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing, Natal, yang terdapat dalam Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa nomor 1356 bulan Desember tahun 2122. 2nd of month January of year 2123, materials of public lecture, the existence of the Politbiro, of development of the Commission of Cadre processing, the Bureau of Development of member of the official, the Division of Development of member, the Division of Development of member of the Agency City Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, on what is concerned and made tactic in Kabupaten Mandailing, Natal, which contained in the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 1356 of month December of year 2122. 9 Januari tahun 2123, Materi Kuliah Umum Eksistensi Subpolitbiro Koordinator Negara-Negara Afrika, Politbiro Pembinaan Koordinator seluruh negara global, Biro Pembinaan Anggota Pengurus, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota Majelis Pimpinan Kabupaten, Kota, Yayasan, Mandailing, Raya di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasitaktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing, Natal, yang terdapat dalam Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa nomor 1356 bulan Desember tahun 2122. 9th of month January of year 2123, materials of public lecture, the existence of the Sub-Politbiro of the Coordinator of African States, the Politbiro of Development of the Coordinator of entire country global, the Bureau of Development of member of the official, the Division of Development of member, the Division of Development of member of the Agency City Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation, on what is concerned and made tactic in Kabupaten Mandailing, Natal, contained in the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 1356 of month December of year 2122. 16 Januari tahun 2123, Materi Kuliah Umum Eksistensi Subpolitbiro Koordinator Negara-Negara Amerika Utara, Politbiro Pembinaan Koordinator seluruh negara global, Biro Pembinaan Anggota Pengurus, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota, Divisi Pembinaan Anggota, Majelis Pimpinan Kabupaten, Kota, Yayasan, Mandailing, Raya di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasitaktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing, Natal, yang terdapat dalam Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa nomor 1356 bulan Desember tahun 2122. 16th of month January of year 2123, materials of public lecture, the existence of the Sub-Politbiro of the Coordinator of countries of North America, the Politbiro of Development of the Coordinator of entire country global, the Bureau of Development of member of the official, the Division of Development of member, the Division of Development of Member of the Regency City Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation around the world is concerned and made tactic in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained in the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 1356 of month December of year 2122. 23 Januari tahun 2123, Materi Kuliah Umum, Eksistensi Politbiro Koordinator Negara-Negara Asia Selatan, Politbiro Pembinaan Koordinator seluruh negara global, Biro Pimpinan Anggota Pengurus, Divisi Pimpinan Anggota, Divisi Pimpinan Anggota Majelis Pimpinan Kabupaten, Kota, Yayasan, Mandailing, Raya, di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasitaktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal, yang terdapat dalam Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa nomor 1356 bulan Desember tahun 2122. 23rd of January of year 2123, Materials of Public Lecture, the existence of the Politbiro of Coordinator of Countries of South Asia, the Politbiro of Development of the Coordinator of Entire Country Global, the Bureau of Development of Member of the Official, the Division of Development of Member, the Division of Development of Member of the Regency City Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation around the world is concerned and made tactic in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained in the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 1356 of month December of year 2122. 30 Januari tahun 2123, Materi Kuliah Umum, Eksistensi Politbiro Koordinator Negara-Negara Amerika Latin, Politbiro Pembinaan Koordinator seluruh negara global, Biro Pimpinan Anggota Pengurus, Divisi Pimpinan Anggota, Divisi Pimpinan Anggota Majelis Pimpinan Kabupaten, Kota, Yayasan, Mandailing, Raya, di seluruh dunia yang dikonsentrasitaktiskan di Kabupaten Mandailing Natal, yang terdapat dalam Jurnal Bulanan Analisis Riset Mikron Gen Biologis sepanjang masa nomor 1356 bulan Desember tahun 2122 Masehi. 30th of January of year 2123, Materials of Public Lecture, the existence of the Politbiro of the Coordinator of Countries of Latin America, the Politbiro of Development of the Coordinator of Entire Country Global, the Bureau of Development of Member of the Official, the Division of Development of Member, the Division of Development of Member of the Regency City Leadership Assembly of the Great Mandailing Foundation around the world is concerned and made tactic in Kabupaten Mandailing Natal contained in the monthly Journal of Research Analysis of Biological Genetic Micron of all time, number 1356 of month December of year 2122. Agus Salim, Sarjana Teknik bin Abdurrahim Nasution, pendiri Badan Formatur Universitas Mandailing. Terima kasih. Thank you.